Alright, today we got me versus this mini fridge. A little something different, but let's see what we can do with this mini fridge. As you can see, the door's already not really wanting to stay connected, so we're just gonna hit the door, see what it does to the door. We got a piece of a bike frame. Booger, move. Park. That didn't do anything. Second up, we got a hammer. We can do better than that. Ice chisel. I can safely say that did a little better. We're done with the door. I think I'm gonna take a swing at the back of it with something. Alright, so I got an axe. We're gonna see what an axe does. I'm gonna hit it like right there if it can stay. Wow. Got a little battle axe I made. I'm gonna hit smack dab right there. Oh, I think we did some damage. Oh God. I want it back. All right, I'm gonna see if I can hook it. Get back here. Damage analysis. It's got a couple scratches. Next thing, me. Guys, that will be the end of this video. If you guys liked me destroying this, I have another one, a little bit of a bigger one. If you do like it, hit that like button, share, do whatever you want, subscribe. I would appreciate it. And if you guys watched all the way to the end, thank you.